Welcome to Everyday Japanese. Today, we're going to learn ko, the Japanese counter for small objects. Let's get started. We use ko when counting small objects. For example, an apple, an egg, a bowl, a rice bowl, or a piece of cake. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. 1個2個3個4個5個6個7個8個9個10個 How many apples? 3個 How many eggs? 5個 How many bowls? 8個 Repeat after me. 1個2個3個4個5個6個7個8個9個10個 Today, you'll learn the Japanese counter ko. We use ko to count small objects. Keep practicing from 1個to 10個until you're comfortable with them. You'll remember them in no time.